Hi friends, it's Jessie here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For today's video, I've got something completely different. I don't know how well this is gonna work out. My setup's a little wobbly, but I'm going to be setting up my plan for June. I've got this whiteboard that I purchased from Amazon. I've got some dry erase markers. I'm gonna get this big calendar set up. We got a lot going on in June. And I just want to have something on my wall to sort of be able to visualize everything that's going on this month. Something new for my channel. I've never done this before. We'll see if it works out. If you're interested in seeing, just keep on watching. Okay, so for my supplies here, I've got this big whiteboard. I will put the dimensions of this on the screen and I will leave a link to it down below if you guys are interested in purchasing something like this. I have plenty of paper planners that I can flip to with calendars and stuff, but I thought this would be nice to have something I can put up on the wall where my whole family can see it. We're moving into summer vacation here soon. We got a lot going on, and I just thought it'd be a really good way for my family to stay organized. I've got some dry erase markers here. I've got these chisel tip Take Note from Crayola, and then I've got the little mini Expo markers. Thought I would just kind of play with these a little bit. This is my first time doing anything like this, so I figured I'd just document the process, and let's get started. Probably gonna speed up a lot of this so I don't have to try to talk through since it's my first time. If I'm trying to talk while I'm doing it, I'm likely gonna mess it up, so let's just see how this goes. so my apologies for the shadow with the setup. It just is what it is, but here's a look at my June calendar. It's not completely filled in. There's definitely other things going on, but they're just not finalized yet, so I didn't want to write them in. You can see everything in red here is my YouTube schedule. Obviously it's not completely filled in. I still have some brainstorming to do, but that's where my YouTube schedule will go. I've got this green color that I'm going to use for Austin specific things. I'm going to use blue for anything that has to do with my son Robert, and then I will use black, I think, for anything that is for like my husband and I. Just kind of get a color coding thing down. I think that'll help. But this was a lot of fun. Definitely something different for my channel. Let me know if you guys want to see videos like this in the future. I don't know, I just figured it'd be fun to film, do something a little bit different, and I've got a feel for what June is going to look like now, which makes me feel really good. So that's it for today's video. Super short, sweet, kind of bonus video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new budgeting and lifestyle content here on my channel every single week. I'd love to have you come back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.